Hi, this is the POCO F5 Pro and I'll show you how to connect to Wi-Fi this device. So first, let's open the settings application, then tap the Wi-Fi section, and you'll see here the Wi-Fi switcher. Just tap once on the switcher to activate the Wi-Fi, and after that you'll see here all of the available networks. Just let's select one from these networks. Here we should enter the password. If you want to see this password, you should click here to this icon. And after that, just tap here to connect button, wait a second, and so now we can see that our device successfully connected to this network. If you want to turn off the Wi-Fi, you should also use this Wi-Fi switcher. So also we get one more way how we could do that. Just open first control panel and find Wi-Fi icon. Just to activate or turn off this option, we should use this icon. And just to launch Wi-Fi settings, hold it for a while, and now you could use the network, enter the password, and tap to connect. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.